Hey everyone! What a bright day today! The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and I'm feeling great. Well, almost great. You know why I said almost? Because today I have to visit my dentist. Oh, yes, the dentist. I know. Many people feel scared to go to the dentist, right? The sound of that zzz machine, it makes everyone nervous. But hey, don't worry. Today I'll take you with me to the dentist and we'll learn some simple English phrases that you can use when you visit a dental clinic. So listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's make English fun and easy. Yay! All right, I'm walking to the clinic now. It's just a few blocks away. I can already see the big sign, Bright Smile Dental Care. What a cute name, right? Let's learn how to say something like this. I have a dental appointment today. Repeat after me. I have a dental appointment today. Good job. When you enter the clinic, you can say, Hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 o'clock. Nice and polite. So here I am, walking into the clinic. The receptionist is smiling. Ooh, she looks friendly. I say, Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. She says, Sure, please have a seat. Then I reply, Thank you so much. Easy, right? When you sit down, you can say something like, I'm a little nervous. Yes, we all feel that sometimes. Or if you want to sound calm, you can say, I'm just waiting for my turn. I'm waiting now. There's soft music playing. This place smells so clean, like mint and lemon. Oh, the receptionist just said, Sir, the doctor is ready to see you. Whew, here we go. I walk into the room and the dentist greets me with a big smile. He says, Hi there, how are you today? And I reply, I'm good, thank you, but my tooth hurts a little. You can also say, I have a toothache, or my tooth has been hurting since yesterday. Dr. Smith says, Okay, let's take a look. I sit in that big chair, the one that goes up and down. He turns on the bright light and says, Please open your mouth. And I go, ah. Then he checks my teeth and says, You have a small cavity. Oh, no. But don't worry, he says it's a small one. He tells me, We'll fix it today. It won't take long. I say, Thank you, doctor. That's easy and polite.
The sound of the machine starts. Zzz. Oh, I can feel my heart beating fast. But I remember to stay calm. You can say to yourself, It's okay, just relax. Or, It will be over soon. Deep breath, in and out. The dentist keeps working and says, Almost done. I say in my mind, Whoa, that's great. He says, All done, you did great. And I say, Thank you so much, doctor. I feel much better now. Then he gives me some advice. Try not to eat anything hard for a few hours. I reply, Okay, I'll be careful. I'm feeling better already. Now I'm walking out of the clinic, feeling light and happy. The sun is still shining, and my teeth feel clean and fresh. You can say, I just visited my dentist. My teeth feel so clean. Whoa, what a nice feeling. So, my friends, that's how you can talk about your visit to the dentist in simple English. In the next part, we'll learn how to talk about booking an appointment, asking about pain, and how to describe tooth problems in natural English. So don't miss it. And remember, practice these phrases, repeat them out loud, and speak with confidence. See you in part 2, And keep smiling.
The next day, I wake up and look in the mirror. Ooh, my teeth look so white and shiny. I smile and say to myself, "Good job, Alex." It feels so nice to have a clean mouth. But then I remember, I have to call the dentist again next month for a checkup. So today, let's learn how to talk on the phone when you book your dentist appointment. I pick up my phone and say, "Hello, I'd like to make a dental appointment, please." The lady on the phone says, "Sure, when would you like to come in?" I think for a second and say, how about next Friday morning? She says, "Let me check. Yes, we have a slot at 9 a.m. And I reply, "Perfect, thank you so much." See how simple that is? You can also say, "I need to see the dentist for a checkup," or "I think I have a problem with my tooth." If you don't understand what the person says, you can use this polite phrase. "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?" Whew, that one is super useful. Now, imagine I'm talking to my friend Emily later that day. She says, "Hey, Alex, what did the dentist say yesterday?" I laugh a little and say, "He said my sweet tooth is too sweet. Ha ha, I had a small cavity, but it's fine now." Emily says, "Oh, that's good." I tell her, "Yeah, I feel much better. I can eat ice cream again soon, but maybe not too much." Ha ha! You see, we can use simple English to talk about daily things like this. Let's practice a few useful phrases together. I'm going to the dentist. I have a toothache. I need to book an appointment. I had my teeth cleaned. I feel better now. These are very easy, right? But if you say them again and again, your English will become natural and smooth. Now imagine I'm talking to my friend Emily later that day. She says, "Hey, Alex, what did the dentist say yesterday?" I laugh a little and say, "He said my sweet tooth is too sweet." I then add, "I had a small cavity, but it's fine now." Emily says, "Oh, that's good." I tell her, "Yeah, I feel much better. I can eat ice cream again soon, but maybe not too much." Ha ha! You see, we can use simple English to talk about daily things like this. Now, let's imagine another situation. You're sitting in the dentist chair and you feel a little pain. You can say, "Ugh, I feel a little pain here." Or, "Could you please be gentle?" That's polite and honest. And if the dentist asks, "Is it okay now?" you can say, "Yes, it's much better. Thank you." Oh, and don't forget, if you need to ask about the cost, you can say, "How much will this treatment cost?" Or, "Do you accept insurance?" That's how Americans usually ask politely. And when you pay, you can say, "Here's my card," or "Can I pay by credit card?" After that, you can say, "Thanks for your help today." Simple, right? Let me tell you something funny. Last time, I said to my dentist, "Doctor, my tooth hurts when I eat sweets." And he said, "Then don't eat sweets." I said, "But I love chocolate." He laughed and said, "Everyone does." So, the lesson here is even a visit to the dentist can be fun if you use English confidently. You don't have to speak fast or use difficult words. Just speak naturally, one sentence at a time. For example, I went to the dentist. He fixed my tooth. I feel great now. That's all you need. Wow, you did great today. You learned how to talk about visiting the dentist, how to book an appointment, how to describe pain, and how to talk politely. Now, before we finish, here's my small tip for you, a special one for English learners. Every day, choose one simple topic, like going to the dentist, going to the park, or buying groceries, and speak for 1 minute in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. When you speak every day, even a little,
your confidence grows. Your words will feel more natural, and your English will sound smoother and friendlier. So, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, your English journey is just like a healthy smile. The more you practice, the brighter it gets. Yay! See you next time, my friend. Take care, and don't forget to brush your teeth. Ha ha!